Recurring business situations. We use recurring business situations to help inform us about what's likely to happen in the future. Shane Fitzgerald and I are into our fourth decade each of investing in the share markets, and we've seen things happen in businesses across industries from time to time. They're not happening continuously, but they happen enough times that we can see them over and over, and we can see what the outcomes are from these recurring business situations or these recurring patterns of behaviour. So I'll give you some examples. One of the major areas is underestimation of significant change. We see that when a retail concept's been rolled out into stores across shopping centres. Another one might be a new product or a new service that consumers or businesses think is much better than the way they've done things before, and we can see that take up happening very, very quickly. In these situations, yes, the market's positive on the stock, yes, they make forecasts about what's going to happen, but what we've found from history is the market underestimates the momentum and the size of the change that's going to happen, and therefore they misprice the stock going forward. Another aspect that we see also is when it comes to the changing of the power of the business we're investing in relative to its consumers, or perhaps its suppliers, or perhaps its competitors. This change in the relativities will change the revenues and earnings of the business going forward, and we see that time and time again being misunderstood by the market. From a behavioural point of view, there are cues we can pick up on as well in the way the company talks about its business. If it changes, if it avoids or deflects when it answers a question. These pique our interest, make us dig further, allow us to spend our resources discovering information we might not have otherwise discovered. So these are all recurring situations that we can rely on to help us work out what's going to happen in the future with greater certainty than what we'd otherwise have if we didn't have this experience.